spraying a bunch here, 3, 4, like 4 or 5 sprays, good spray, yeah.
Yeah.
You're just getting them sticky so they kind of stick together when you're dropping them. Other side.
5.
Yeah. Right there. This. So. Yep. So this, you want to hold, you want to grab it out. You're going to do this back and forth. You're going to like slowly wait, yeah. Don't let go of it.
I let go of it.
I know.
I feel like
Take that glove off of your right
Yeah,
hand.
take the glove off.
Have at least one free hand because you
It'll be
can't
fine.
touch anything.
So grab it. Back and forth, back and forth. Okay? Nice and easy.
mine's the 8.
So when you move a hive,
When you get close to the top, just kind of give a little shake
Yeah, give it a
to
little-
get anybody off of it.
Okay, you want me to?
scared me.
Okay, we're gonna do that. Just a little bit back and forth. I think this is the dented can that he was talking about.
Man, why did I get the dent again?
Yep. Okay.
There you go. Cover it up. There you
Cover it
go.
up for a second.
Now you gotta get your queen.
We're gonna grab our queen. So you're gonna do this. Ready?
What?
You're gonna bang that
Just
down
give it
like
a
that.
knockdown so they all fall to the bottom.
Yep.
Like just
Good
Yep.
and hard. No, hard. Hard.
Harder.
There
Okay.
you go. See how they all went down?
Okay. So now the queen, you're gonna pull her out.
You're smishing somebody.
Oh. Nice and carefully. You're gonna scooch her. Yep. Yep. You got her.
Use your non-glove hand.
You got her.
scared to use that one.
Here. I will.
got it.
Okay. You got her. Okay. Pull her out. Shake it off a little.
You're
Shake
right.
it off
Not
in
now.
here. In here.
In there. We want them in there.
Yeah. Kind of knock them off. Oh.
Looks good.
There she is. She's moving around.
Yes, sir.
This is a nurse bee. See how she's trying to feed her?
You got your tape?
Yeah.
Where's her tape? Okay, so we're gonna turn that a little. Okay.
Yeah. Whatever. Don't really care.
Push it down, push it down, push it down. Just gonna kind of do that. Got it? Is it down good? Okay. Just kind of want to hook that so it goes down. Okay.
Now tap them
So
down again
now
like you did before.
You're gonna tap them.
Hard. Hard. Get them down. Again, hard.
Okay.
All right, now you're ready to dump them in.
Now you're gonna flip it. You want your glove? Okay.
Jim,
Like I
it's
said,
fine.
Jenna.
Okay, ready? You're gonna flip them and you're gonna shake them in there. Okay, go. Yep, upside down. Don't tap it yet, just shake them. Shake, 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 shake. Come on.
Move a little bit over so you get them down in there.
This.
There you go.
Yep.
You want them to fall down in that hole.
Shake them.
Now hard.
Harder.
Back and forth.
Yep.
Turn it up.
Back.
Lift,
This way.
lift that.
This
Yep,
way.
just like
Yep,
that.
Shake it.
And then the other
Shake
way.
it. Shake it. Shake it. Yep.
I don't think that's more work.
Here. You see now?
Probably about each side.
See how they're falling out?
Now we put these guys here because they're going to be at the entrance.
Yeah.
Now we're going to grab two frames and put them in. Excuse me. we're gonna put him there, but we don't want you crush
hear him?
him.
Yeah, watch out. Little guy.
There's two of them.
Yep.
It's okay, guys.
Can you
Okay,
hear
we're
him?
just gonna. Okay, stop.
We're getting them all.
Yeah, we're just gonna keep it there because of the queen.
You see how they're all fanning? That noise they're making? They're fanning that queen.
Okay.
They're signaling to everybody. See all the butts up in the air? See those guys doing little butt fans? They're telling everybody the queen's here.
And they're bumping you. Can you feel them bumping you, like hitting your head
Yeah.
and stuff?
Where's your brush at?
I don't know. Where's my brush?
Just use your gloves. See those guys on the edge? Just kind of brush them off lightly
I'm gonna brush them.
into the middle. There you go.
Softly.
So your mom can put the thing on.
Just kind of. Yeah, patties. Joe, grab the patty. We're good, I think. Now. Just lay it over there. Yep.
Like that?
Sure.
Do you want to take off the plastic or no?
No. Just like this.
Okay.
Just like this. Okay, and then the other one like there. Not up there. Over here. Yep. Just it's okay. Just kind of.
Hurt them.
I know. If you start laying it down, they'll move.
They'll eat their way down.
Yeah, they'll move. Okay. Then this inner cover. Carefully, slowly line this here. Then your water. Try not to get it a bunch out, you know.
Dad, I think we need another water.
There's one right here. Oh. I gave him a. There we go.
Yeah, we're good.
We're
I
good.
just want to make sure there's no
Where's your
water.
lid? Here's your lid. Thank you. Okay, now you do that one. Careful, nice and easy. Oh, you don't want to move your
Yeah.
this. You don't want to move that. And those couple of guys, they're fine in there.
Rip.
Here, Joe.
Just bring them up. There you go.
Yep. There you go. Throw that on there. Nice and easy. You don't want to rattle them too much.
I was doing it.
See them now? See their butts in the air?
Yeah.
They're letting everybody know. Hey, our queen's in here. Everybody come in here.
Pretty cool,
Now
man.
you're a beekeeper, Joe.